Okay, so what are you even supposed to pack for college? I haven't been out of my house in like 2 years. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Hannah Maria and I am a sophomore at Yale University, and I'm so excited that you're watching today's video. I am so excited to go back to school. I'm just so excited all around. And so I hope that you get some stuff out of this and learn how to pack for your college experience. So if you're feeling like this, I hope that this video can be of some help to you. I'm going back to college in like 5 days and packing very last minute. So I hope some of this can help. It's a little different for me because my school is so close to my actual house. So right now, as a sophomore, I have like everything in my house. Some people would have it in storage, so whatever that looks like for you. And just so you know, I'm a very type A person, and so a lot of my stuff has to do with like, hey, I want to be super organized. I need to have everything in its place. And so that's where I'm going with this. I like to be clean and organized, and if you want to be too, I would implore you to keep watching. First things first, with the bed, yes, you need sheets and blankets and whatever, and pillows. I recommend, getting more than one pillow. That's just, you don't have to do that. It's just a recommendation from me, but it looks better with more than one, but I'm just like, it's fine if you don't. But yeah, basically, what I really think you need is a mattress cover and a memory foam pad, especially and specifically if you are in the dorms, because those beds are nasty. Like, you don't know who has slept on that, who has done what on that, and so you just want to cover that up. I do not want to have my head on all of that. So you want to cover it up. So there's mattress covers that you can get that like help with bed bugs, that help with like any liquids that might be on the bed, that help with like, yeah, just like any gross stuff that might be on the bed. So just cover it up. But also I'd recommend this memory foam pad, because some of those mattresses are like stiff as a board, and you want to be waking up refreshed in the morning and not like you've just slept on the floor. Although I've done that before too, and it's not terrible, but it's better to wake up refreshed and like have some support. So memory foam pads aren't super expensive. It's not like pertinent, but if you can like chip out some extra money to get a memory foam pad, I'd recommend it, because those beds are terrible, and your sleep is important. It really is. Okay, next on the list is extension cords. You really just need it for like everything. You don't want to be using up all of the outlets, because you're just like constantly like unplugging and replugging things. So like having an extension cord just like makes it able to like have all of your cables in like one place and just like under your desk, and you can just plug in your laptop, your iPad, your phone, your desk light, whatever it is. If you get a what is it called? Essential oil diffuser too, like this bub from Target. You can plug that in too. Yeah, it's kind of looks messy, but it's under the desk. It's not like everywhere in the room, so it's okay. Command hooks. Command hooks are so important. You can't really drill usually in dorms, drill into anything, so I have command hooks for literally everything. And I have found that I've needed an extra big command hook for hanging my towel, like after getting out of the shower. If I want to hang my towel and not like have it get moldy or whatever, I need a command hook. And so that I recommend getting an extra big one for. It's like heavy duty or something, but I'd recommend that. And going off that like kind of like storage, like handy stuff, I'd recommend getting those like extra large like vacuum bags, and for me, like, that makes transporting it all to campus easier because I don't have to like fly there and I don't have a luggage. I'm not going to bring a luggage because I'm not flying there, but if, again, you're flying there, you're going to have a luggage with your clothes anyways. But I really like the vacuum bags because I can just, and then, like, take it out and put it in my desk. In my bureau. But, yeah, so I'd recommend those. And two, like, for all of your mattress stuff, like, just shrinking it and putting it in a vacuum bag is super easy to pack if you can do that. So something I've needed. I'm sure this is on everyone's list, but you need laundry materials. I wish more schools like supplied this somehow because laundry is super expensive. Maybe yours does. I don't know. Mine does not. So laundry materials, so important. Like, you don't want to forget the detergent, dryer sheets or dryer balls or whatever you have, and a laundry bag. I personally like this one I have that has like a strap. I feel like Santa Claus kind of, and I'm just like, let's go to the laundry room. And so along with that, cleaning materials, I also thought of, it's nasty. It's dorm living is just gross. Just letting you know. It's fun, it's great. You get to be with friends, you get to be with people, you get to be independent, but it's gross. They clean the rooms, but they don't clean it that good. So I recommend like cleaning the floor, cleaning the desk, cleaning everything. So you really want to do that, and you have to have cleaning supplies for that. And also, like, maybe throughout the year, COVID's still going on, have some hand sanitizer, some masks, have, if you bring dishes, you need soap to clean the dishes. So it's a lot of things that is like you might not think of after living home for so long, but are important to have. So like cleaning, laundry. And so on to like storage. And so like in terms of storage, I think most dorm beds have like high-rised beds. And so underbed storage is like where it's at. I definitely recommend like having some underbed storage. I'll like put a picture here. I literally made a plan of how I'm going to store my stuff under my bed because last year was a mess and I just want to be more. Last year wasn't even that much of a mess, but yeah, just have it all nice and cute and not just like a tornado under your bed. Of course you can hide it by getting one of those like long bed skirts, but those are kind of expensive and they'll get dusty. So I think storage is cuter, to be honest, but whatever floats your boat. Okay, this one's definitely 100% you need a chair cushion. Most dorm chairs are just like wooden, like almost kind of like rocking chairs, and they're not comfortable. And so if you don't go to the library all the time and you don't go to the cafe all the time, you're going to be in your dorm studying. And so having a nice chair cushion is nice because, maybe you can't replace the whole chair with like a nice like desk chair, but you can have a cushion to not like make your whole like lower body go numb. So that would be good. And then lighting, I recommend getting a desk light 100%, especially if you're studying later, and you just want to be like awake. More light is always good for that. And just extra lighting in general because dorm room lighting is not the best either. And so maybe like string lights, floor lamps, like those Christmas lights that people put up, something like that, LED lights, whatever your thing is. But yeah, snack storage is the last thing. So important. I think I definitely have snacks throughout the year because there's certain things that I like to eat. So I have a fridge, I have a microwave, and then I have like storage to put snacks in, like tortilla chips or like popcorn, like all the carbs, or like whatever it is, bananas. There's a place to put them that's not just thrown somewhere. And so yeah, that's me. And I also have a bunch of books, so I have a bookcase, but I don't think that's something you need. But another thing to think about, storage. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Those are all of the tips that I have, and I'm done packing. So I'm really excited to move in. Please like and subscribe if you want to see my move-in video for this year and just my days in the life at Yale and anything college faith, vloggy, or travel related. Thanks for watching. Bye.